Welcome to programming the Eurolabo machine. First things to observe our safety guard. If the safety guard is lifted, it will alert you. If the emergency stop is activated, it will alert you. There's two ways to run this machine. The first one is manually or automatic. Press manual and the machine can work in manual operation. You can press to start the machine, and then to stop, you use the green buttons. To raise the speed, you press this button here. Just lower the speed. If you want the flour duster to operate, or off. If you want to, this indicates the level of the rollers. If you want to lower the rollers, if you want to raise the lower. Very simple to operate. If you want to go the other way, press the other way. If you want to stop the machine, you press the green button on the side of the machine. If we go back, we've got the automatic settings. We can press automatic and we can go into a program. If we go into number 25, press 25, we press load. We go back, 25 is in there. There's no program in 25, so what we'll do is program it. You press and hold the button and it goes into the programming feature. There's two ways of programming. We can either go into each step, press a button, program it, and then do each step. Or we can go back to the top. We can get an automatic program set for us. So we press there. We have a starting height of 60. Press. And we press this. We press, say, 3 cm. Press enter. So it'll start at 60, finish at 3. We'll start on the left side, so the block of pastry will be on the left. The block will finish on the right. We'll turn the roller on. So we press, and here we do a reduction of, say, 60% each step. We press OK, and now it's given us a program, 60, 55, down, all the way down to 3. We can change anything. So say we decide that 50 is not enough. We touch 50 and we make it 45. Enter. So we can do any changes. We can decide the speed is not too high. So we can put 40 there. Press enter. We can go down and we can say we want to do flour dusting on the last pass. And we can also say, at say about 20 mils, we want to check the pastry. So what we do is we do a pause, and that'll pause the machine. We check it, and then we press start again. We go down here, and we might decide, oh, we'd actually want it to go a bit slower at the end. And we want it to go 20 meters per second there, and this one 40. So then in the last two stages we'll go a bit slower so we can check the pastry. Alright, so we're happy with the program. We press save. We go here and we press save and we hold for 5 seconds until it flashes. It's flashing now. Oh, there. We're going to, oh, wait a second. Let's actually name the program. So we're going to do this as special. Enter. So now it's special. We've got all the steps. We're happy with that, so we press save. We press save. And now number 25 is special. We could have put puff pastry, we could have put top pastry, we could have put shortbread, gingerbread, doesn't matter. You can name as many as you like. So we go back here. Now that program, it signifies to put the block of pastry at the start there, and it shows that the first pass will be 50, that pass number 1. Now to start the machine, we press the green button and the machine will activate and work backwards and forwards until the pastry is finished, and then it'll roll up. Once again, we can go here. So we're back at the start. We can pick a program, so we can go.
Does that measure the weight as well?
We want test program. What we do is we press load. Now the test is there. We go back there, and this is the test program. It goes backwards and forwards. We can actually look in that test program.
We've got a couple of other machines. This one.
We might say, look, we want to modify this program, even though it's a program that's been in here, and we can change that to 2. So it's changed. We press save. We press save. And it's done. So that program has been modified, and it starts on the right hand side and works its way through. If we press the green button, each stage tells you the pass, the speed, and the opening. It's going slower, it's rolling up. Finished, resets to the top, and it's ready to go. If we go back here, press in here. We check our special, we press load, and we go back. It starts on the left. We'll go into this program. No, it doesn't matter actually. What we'll do is just run this program. We press the green button. It starts. Each stage showing how it works. The height, the speed. This one's a bit slower, 40. We had a pause. So the machine stops. We have to press the green button. Finishes, resets to the top, tells you where to go, where the pastry has to go. Going back, and as I said, safety guards, each one indicates there. If we press here, it tells us where it's. So if you're in a program, presses here, the press there, and it tells you which ones. You lower that, and it fixes.